Actuators, motion control, grippers, so much industrial automation depends on pneumatics. I'm with Conrad Rieckhoff. He's a product manager at Festo Inc. And Conrad, historically, those of us that have worked in industry and have used traditional cylinders, linear motion, rotary motion, of course, the standard things of the basics of automation, we've had to cope with solenoid operated valves, you had to cope with flow control, you had to cope with exhausts, multiple pieces to the puzzle. Now you're holding, I understand, a device which could essentially replace many of those individual components with one device.
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, what we have in my hand right now is a revolutionary product for factory automation, which is called our Festo Motion Terminal. One of the things we all know is electrical technology does give you really precise movement. It gives you multiple positions, and it also gives you profile, different types of movement profiles. It also gives you diagnostics, and it typically might give you the impression it's also better in energy efficiency. Whereas pneumatics gives you the low-cost solution, but very powerful, very mechanically sturdy, but it doesn't give you the diagnostics or the adaptability to do the Industry 4.0 features that are needed down the road as machine builders get more and more challenges to reduce costs. But now this motion terminal creates another product category, almost called digitalized pneumatics. So with the motion terminal now, we can get very close to the features of electrical technology, but at the price positioning of pneumatic technology.
So Conrad, to be clear, then in this unit, we could have supply air in one end,
yes,
and connect, for example, a cylinder pneumatic actuator on the other end with no other devices in between.
That is correct. All you need to determine is if you have 4 actuators on the machine, you need 4 of the VTM valves, and that's it. But what's also important now with the needs of Industry 4.0 is smaller batch sizes. So now you might only be having 4 products come down the line, and now you need the machine to deal with that. And then all of a sudden, somebody selects a new product on a recipe screen, on a panel view, for example, and now we need to adjust the speed of the machine. We can just do it on the fly. There's no tampering. It's all controlled in the valve itself. So it does allow more uptime for the machine because it automatically maintains the cycle. So now if you want to control speed on a pneumatic cylinder, you have flow controls. You want to have pressure control. Controlled by the PLC, we use proportional regulators. You want to have fast speed, we have soft stop type technology. But at the end of the day, you have great products, but they're all standalone individual products that need to be integrated to a control system. Now, you have one product slice or valve position, and now by downloading 10 apps that will be on our first release by the end of the year, we can now change to 50 different personality of products. So that really is revolutionizing the market. The ability now to take pneumatics closer and closer to electrical technology.
Conrad Rieckhoff suggests to replace multiple electromechanical devices in pneumatic systems with one single device.